staying with her for last 11 years, Aparna Sarovar.
So we have seen Sonali's work for one of our friends, and from the time I have seen the work, I was after him that we have to renovate our house as well. She has been amazing. She gave us certain designs so that and to understand our mood as well, what kind of designs we were looking for. She can decide or she can envision what the end product would be, which we might not be. But the best part is that the way she explained, the patience she has, the way she convinces or she explains the entire thing, that what would be better and what we should buy and what we should go with, that is absolutely amazing. And not only the interior decoration, I think from fabric to upholstery to decorative items, everything, she has given us so much time. So I couldn't ask for anybody better than Sonali, who has helped us in designing the house.
Totally agree. I mean, I like the way she thinks through the creativity, because I think we both are in IT industry and we don't have any creativity there. The way she decides, this would look better this way. I like all the way she takes a judgment call, ye design, ye color, all those things. I love working with her. Absolute dreams. So all that tough call, let Sonali take. Life was really fun.
So we were very happy with her.
Plus one on that. Thank you, Sonali.